Shalom, shalom, shalom. This is your Ark. Yah is magnified, and I'm back with another informative video. I titled this video, Update to the Challenge, Part 2. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so for everyone who's been following me for a minute, you all know that I had issued a challenge back in late January, early February, okay? And in that challenge, before I say what was in the challenge, the reason why I issued the challenge was because there was a lot of back and forth on YouTube between individuals who was claiming that they can all assist you all with child support, okay? So, people was going back and forth, calling each other frauds and stuff like that. So to dare that, I simply threw out a challenge. The challenge was even for everyone, so everyone would have the same thing and the same goals at the end, okay? The challenge was simple. Only thing we had to do is take one individual who's not currently on child support, right? But the agency was coming after them to pursue and to establish a support order against them. All right? Everyone declined. No one accepted my challenge, right? But what they wanted to do was have a debate on their channel and go back and forth and argue about 4D. I'm not the type to go back and forth and argue about anything. I'm a man of action. Actions speak louder than words. So that's why I threw the challenge out there. Okay? If you claim that you're not a fraud, like I'm claiming that I'm not a fraud, then take me up on my challenge and prove that you're not. Like I told everyone, I don't have anything else to prove. I have too much information out here, too much proof, too many people backing me, too many testimonies, back to back to back. This whole year and the year before that was just full of testimonies. Since I've been on YouTube, my video has been full of testimonies. Or my channel is full of testimonies, okay? So, I'm just doing this video right here to give you all an update on my ARC situation, who I currently helping for free. All right? So, as you all know, the last time we filed into the court was back on February the 12th, 2020. We haven't heard from these people since. All right? This is what I mean when I say stop it before it starts. All right? If they send you stuff in the mail, open it and respond back. But you must know how to respond back once you open it. Okay? So they was trying to establish a support order against him. We responded back to it. We haven't heard back from them yet. Okay? And to further prove that, we're going to simply call the clerk of court. So I'm going to let you all hear it from the clerk of court's mouth herself. All right? So, without further ado, let's go to me speaking to the clerk of court about this case. Let's go there.
Clerk's office, how can I help you?
Yes, how you doing today? I was calling to find out if there is an order of support entered into a case.
An order of support?
Yes, I have the case number. It's a child support case. The number is -F.
Murray and
Yes.
Now when you say what order are you meaning?
I'm just asking.
Like a judgment?
Yes, is there a judgment entered on the case?
No, I don't see a judgment.
Okay, and what was the last thing filed into the court case?
It was a request for a process server.
Okay, and what date was that filed?
January. Well, no. That was back in January. Something was filed in February. The last thing looks like it was filed back in February of this year.
Okay.
With some affidavit.
Okay, was that like February the 12th?
Yes.
Okay, that's probably the paperwork that we filed into the court. Okay.
Sorry?
No, I'm saying that was probably the paper. That's the paperwork that we filed into the court. So it was nothing after that.
No.
Okay, and there's no support order as of today.
No, I don't see a judgment.
Okay, so the case just sitting there?
I mean, I don't know what they're doing with the case. You would have to ask, is this child support?
Okay.
You would need to contact the child support office to see, if they're going to do something else or what's going on with it.
Yeah, because it's been, what, like 9, almost 10 months?
Yeah, I mean, you would have to ask them.
Okay, I will do. Thanks a lot.
Mm-hmm.
All right, bye. Okay, so now we all just heard from the clerk of court that the last thing that was filed into the court case was the documents that I gave my aunt, okay? That was filed back in February the 12th, 2020. And also, there is no order of support. There is no judgment of support filed into the case. And she clearly stated that the case has been sitting there for 9, almost 10 months now. All right? As you all can see, the court is open. I just called the clerk of court. All right? They are having hearings. I wonder why they brushing past heads. I know why. Because we simply responded back. That's the reason why I tell you all, you must respond back. Stop sending the mail back. Face these people head on, okay? This is not about arguing about, Title 4D and all that other nonsense. This is about showing and proving. And that's all I want you all to see. If they can't show you that they're off of child support, or if they can't prove that they help people get off of child support, then why continue to listen to these cats, man? All right? Don't be deceived by the marketing schemes that they have, man. These guys are good salesmen, and that's it. That's all. They can only sell a product. All right? But remedy for those products don't work. All right? So again, guys, I can't stress this enough. You must respond back. But that's all I'm going to do for today. If you all need my help, hit me up in my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. Let's get this right wisdom, this right knowledge, and this right understanding. So with that being said, I say shalom.